So today I'm at Ickworth House in Suffolk to talk about one of my favourite things that I discovered just recently. Yes, as I'm in a woodland, it might give you a little bit of an idea, but if I spin this camera around, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. That's right, we're all about Stumperies today. So Stumperies are absolutely awesome, right? I mean, here's a city boy talking about upside down tree stumps, right? But they're amazing for a number of different reasons. They originated in the Victorian period, and what they would do is they would chop down these trees, rip up the stumps, put them upside down, and they would basically use it as a breeding ground for lots and lots of different types of ferns. But there's a lot more to stumps and Stumperies than just ferns, although there's tons of them all over here. They're an absolute haven for wildlife. This is a living, breathing area, right? Like, it's always changing. It's never static, except obviously the stumps themselves, but the wildlife around it is always developing, is always growing. And as a guy that's really into wildlife and really into nature, that just impresses the heck out of me. I mean, yes, they're man-made, but at the end of the day, nature now has taken over. I mean, look at this. You get to a clearing like this. You've got these huge English yews either side of me here. Probably one of my favourite native species as well. And as a bonsai guy, I mean, I just see so many bonsais up in these branches. But here is a clearing. You've got wood chips on the floor here. And as you walk around, surrounded by, again, all this gorgeous ferns, all this amazing moss. Problem is, with all this walking around, I get a bit tired, as you would, being a middle-aged man. So, it's nice to see that the forest gods have created my own throne for me to be able to sit back and relax for a bit. There's no creepy crawlies on me, is there? Don't like creepy crawlies. Actually, I love them. I mean, every corner you turn, there's something cool. Literally, every single corner. The people at Ickworth have done such an amazing job at making this, I mean, it's a labyrinth, isn't it, right? It's a labyrinth of discovery, not just for nature-loving folks like me, but for kids as well. I mean, my kids run around, they're over there somewhere right now. They just run around like crazy. But here's the thing, you come from here onto now a formal pathway that leads all the way to one of the major pathways to the main house, the rotunda. And there it is, just through the trees here, you'll see, look at that. So maybe I'll do a tour of the rotunda next time we're here at Ickworth. Thank you to the National Trust for all the amazing work that they do. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, hit that like button and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss a single video here on Countryside Journey. I will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.